Welcome back. In this section, we will see how to run Apache Druid on Docker desktop. So let's see. First step is to get the first step is to copy this command git clone https and uh, execute over the terminal. So it will download the files. I have already executed, so I won't be doing it. And we need to go to this location cd druid distribution docker. So here you can see I have into location druid distribution docker. Let's open the location. So here we have got a docker.compose file which is of type yml. We need to modify this file. For we need to go to location. If you see, I will go to GitHub distribution docker and docker-compose.yml. This is the file. Here you can see Postgres image as latest. Zookeeper, it is version 3.5.10. Instead of 3.5.10, we need to make it as uh, latest. Let's open it. So we have made some changes in the docker.compose.yml file. From image Zookeeper 3.5, here we have specified this what changes we need to make in this file. That is from image Zookeeper 3.5.10 to image Zookeeper latest, and from Apache Druid 33.0.0, which is not currently available. So we are using image Apache Druid 32.0.1. Let's see the changes. Here you can see from Zookeeper 3.5.1, we are making it to 32 latest, and Apache Druid 34 version to here you can see 33 or 34 into Apache Druid 33.0.1. So necessary changes we have made, such as over here, over here, over here, over here, and over here. Because we are using the Apache Druid 32.0.1, then what I will do is start Apache Druid with Docker Compose. So I will execute docker compose -f docker compose.yml up. So as we do it, it will start running in the background. And here in the containers, you will see a container docker. It will get started, and let's wait for everything to be up and running. We will then open the Apache Druid. The third step is to access localhost. Let's wait for some time. Here you can see our Docker is up and running. Here you can see Docker Apache Druid is running with version 32.0.1 with 22 extension and two tasks, one service is lookup, and just click on query. Here we have lot of queries, like here we can execute select star from schemata. Click on run. Here you can see our query got executed. So this is how we run Apache Druid on Docker desktop with Windows operating system. To stop Apache Druid, we will use docker-compose-f, docker-compose.yml down. So it will shut down the Docker for Apache Druid. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.